G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here. We are high above the city of London. We're actually in the golden tower of St. Paul's Cathedral. It's about 350 odd steps to get up here, so proceed with caution. And if you're a big fella like me, you might not be able to get through. Anyway, we're hitting some of the sights around London. Some ice cream shops, heading to the National Ice Cream Convention, and I guess we're going to have a great time on this wet, dreary London day, but we're going to spice it up with some pretty good ice cream on this episode of the Ice Cream Show, the Scoop School Show. The city of London, it really is truly one of the most remarkable cities in the world. And St. Paul's Cathedral looks over the River Thames. So much to do in London City. And we spent a few days in the process of looking around the cathedral, around all of these great sites in this truly historic city. One person that we did come across in St. Paul's Cathedral is Tom Cruise filming Mission Impossible 4. And in case you missed it the first time, let's go to the slow-mo. Anyway, let's get back to the ice cream action. Now, the London Tube is a great way to get around London. Very efficient. Once you know your north, south, east and wests, you're as good as gold. And we stopped in at the Tower Bridge, a truly great piece of London history, and this is where we found our first ice cream vendor. Now, ice cream vans, or mobilers as they call them, are a huge part of the ice cream industry in the UK. They're literally everywhere you go. Okay folks, so Mr. Whippy's soft serve, particularly with the chocolate flake in, is one of a staple of UK ice cream. And this guy's parked right in front of the Tower Bridge right here. Perfect spot to get tourism dollars in for this beautiful soft serve with a flake. Do you eat the soft serve first? Do you eat the flake first? It's hard to say. It's very, very rich and creamy though. These ice cream vans are truly a piece of technology. The ice cream machine is actually interwoven with the mechanics of the van. We're going to take a tour of the van in a later video. Now, these vans sell soft serve fresh with a flake, different types of cones, and they also sell ready-made or novelty items as well, depending on your fancy.
No, please.
Just make the flake, that's fine.
Right. So, the flake, it's a chocolate stick, and I think it is the most popular thing in UK. You have an ice cream with the chocolate stick in it, and you can have some sauce in it. Soft vanilla ice cream. The cone, we got the Italian cone, waffle.
Let's go the standard single.
Single.
There you go, ice cream lovers. As you can see, we truly miss out on the flake experience. The flake in the soft serve cone is a UK standard, and the beauty of having a mobile unit is, hey, when it's slow, you can feed cones to the pigeons. Now, we're back on the tube now, as you can see, same footage, sorry, but we're going to jump over to Covent Gardens Market. Now, this truly is the hub of many different ice cream concepts, as well as a place you can go to get a great meal, great souvenirs, and great market fare. Now, the first stop on our ice cream itinerary is a frozen yogurt concept called Snog. Now, I'm not going to tell you what Snog means in the Urban Dictionary, you'll have to look that up, but this truly was a very unique frozen yogurt place. The self-serve has pretty well disappeared in the UK yogurt scene, and everything is hand-served up fresh by the employees here. Now, you'll also see that a lot of effort has gone into the feel, the look, the lighting, the atmosphere of this frozen yogurt concept, and it really does come across in the popularity of it. They have about 13, 14 locations in and around London, 2 Taylor twin twist soft serve machines, and as many toppings here that you can poke a stick at. Now, our next visit is to Milk Train. This is by far the most unique ice cream experience that I've had, particularly in the UK. And you'll find literally tens, 20s, hundreds of people out here snapping photographs of the truly unique way in which the Milk Train presents their ice cream. It's surrounded by a ring of what I would call fairy floss. The UK people call them candy floss, and it's made fresh before your eyes right in the front window there and tucked into each of the sugar cones that they serve their soft serve product in.
My hair. I know.
Now, you'll hear me say again and again that you're not just in the ice cream business, you're in the entertainment business. And this is one of the locations that truly puts on the theatre of ice cream. From the rolling of the candy floss to the loading of the cone and all of the different toppings that go on top, in and around the ice cream, it really is a very unique soft serve ice cream experience. Now, they don't have a ton of flavors, generally vanilla, chocolate, and maybe one specialty flavor. But as I said, they do top it with as many ice cream toppings, traditional ice cream toppings, as you can see. Now, as you can see, they can really pack a punch so far as their volume per square foot is concerned. The place is around about 600-700 square feet, but they do pack a lot of people in because of their unique ice cream experience. Now, while I was here, they were rolling out the Chinese New Year celebration, a 24-carat gold leaf coating that goes on top of your soft serve. It was hugely popular, so I had to get one myself and consume what I would regard as probably one of the most unique ice creams I've ever eaten. G'day ice cream lovers. Well, for the princely sum of £8.88, or should I say £8.88, I've got gold leaf. It's Chinese New Year. We're here at Milk Train. Again, Covent Gardens Market, just up the road here, a plethora of ice cream. And I think this is the first time in my entire career that I've actually eaten gold-laden ice cream. I probably do need a little bit of the fairy floss to go with it. Now, I can truly say that the soft serve is plain at best, but the way they dress this up, flake on this side, wafer on this side, gold in the middle, hey, presentation A1 in my books. Now, the UK is heavily influenced by their proximity to Europe when it comes to ice cream and frozen dessert, and you'll find a lot of gelato and gelato-type concepts here. Here at Amarino, they truly make things different by serving up your gelato in the form of a flower based on top of a cone. They claim that they have the patent to do so, and you'll never find anywhere else that will serve gelato up on a cone in the form of a beautiful rose. Now, just to round out your complete ice cream experience here at the Covent Gardens Market, here we have Shake Shack. Yes, good old Midwest traditional frozen custard served up with the best of them here at the Covent Gardens Market. You can't beat a good concrete made in a rich, fresh frozen custard. Now, we round out our ice cream tour tonight at a facility called Venchi. Traditional gelato made fresh on premises, and just a great presentation, both the product itself and the environment in the store. Beautiful clean glass cases, the employees are in chef outfits. It really was a great experience when it came to your total gelato concept. Now, the beauty of a concept like this is that there is just so much to see and do. The employees were great with sampling, so you could have as many samples as you would like to experience what they have to offer. Really primo experience when it came to the frozen dessert process. Now, they also sell their own toppings, flavors, which again adds to this market atmosphere at the Covent Gardens Market. Another concept you'll find very commonly found throughout Europe and the UK is the sipping chocolate, which again creates the warm experience with the cold ice cream.
G'day ice cream lovers. Well, we've come to the end of our tour here of the ice creams and frozen desserts in and around London. It's quite late at night, big long day today, and we find ourselves outside Buckingham Palace. Now, Queen Elizabeth's more than likely tucked into bed in her gym jams underneath the duvet, so we won't see if we can interview her. But I tell you what, we've had a great time looking at all of the different ice cream concepts in and around London. We've seen gelato, we've seen frozen yogurt, we've tasted some pretty unique gold ice cream. So we're going to keep a link down here below the video of all of the different concepts, websites and so forth. And look, we've got some really exciting stuff coming up because we are jumping in the van heading north to Harrogate, where we're going to attend the National Ice Cream Convention of the UK. Very excited. I'm speaking there, judging a few competitions, and generally just enjoying everything that's ice cream in the UK. So thank you for tuning in, keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.